Hi, my name's Elise and today I'm going to show you my 5 favourite things about the Ford Ranger. One of my favourite things about the Ranger is taking Arden for a drive. Let's pop him in. Nice and comfy. Let's go. So one of my favourite features is the box step. Because I have a Ford Wildtrak, I can double click the roller shutter button. The roller shutter will open and it just helps someone with my height be able to reach into the tub and get what I need. Another one of my favourite features is when you're in park, you can click the camera button, click the tab and adjust your camera view. This is helpful if you're off-roading, if you're hooking up a trailer or if you're trying to park. So a lot of people think that your cameras, specifically your reverse camera, will only work when you're in reverse, but you can use this function while you're in park. Another one of my favourite features about the Ford Ranger is being able to have my Frank Green drink bottle and a cup of coffee. So with the coffee being right near the vent, it would be heated or cooled if my ventilation or heating was on. My last favourite feature is if you're in drive and you do forget to put the car in park when you're getting out of the car, once you open the door, the car will go into park. It's a great safety mechanism. I hope you enjoyed my video, my 5 favourite features of the Ford Ranger. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.